Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1200 Leith Head Road in beautiful Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2016 Chevrolet Spark LT. Starting at the front, you can see we got our blacked out grille with chrome accents, fog lights, color matched mirrors and door handles, and it's riding on 15-inch alloy wheels. Power for this Spark comes from a 1.4 liter 4-cylinder engine mounted to an automatic transmission, and it is front wheel drive. Coming around the back, we have a rear windshield wiper blade, color matched spoiler, rear mounted antenna, and down here we do have an installed hitch for a bike rack. Let's pop inside and take a look at what other features this Spark has to offer. Starting out, we do have our keyless entry. Taking a look inside, we can see we have our really nice two-toned cloth upholstery. Coming around back, we do have a built-in center console, and this Spark does have 60/40 fold-down rear seats, just in case you need a little bit extra cargo space. Opening up the door, we can see here we've got our power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. Moving on over, we have our lights with the auto function and our traction control and our interior light controls right there. Hopping on in, starting at the steering wheel, over here we have our cruise control. Moving over, we have our hands-free Bluetooth calling and our audio controls. And now let's start her up. Up here on the dash, we have all our normal bits and pieces, and there's a little bit extra info you can check out by scrolling through, such as your fuel economy. This Spark comes with an AM/FM stereo, and it is ready for Sirius satellite radio. It is also set up for OnStar, so you can have your navigation system. Here's your buttons and your SOS. Coming on down, we have our climate control, the center console, we have our shifter, a couple cup holders, and down here we have our USB and extra power outlets. We also have some really great WeatherTech mats here to protect your upholstery, our glove box, and really comfortable seats. Taking a look in the back a little bit closer, we do have the fold-up headrests. Here's a closer look at the center console, so you got room for two more back there, giving you a 4-seater car. Hopping over to the back, once again we've got some really cool looking tail lights, our Spark and LT badging, the hitch, and if we open up the hatch, we can see we do have the expandable room with the fold down seats, and we do have a nice cover there so that you've got a little bit of privacy for any cargo you might want in the back. Thank you for joining me to take a look at this 2016 Chevrolet Spark LT. If you have any more questions, please feel free to give us a call or come on down to 1200 Leith Head Road in Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada to test drive this car or check out any of the other new and used inventory on our lots. You can also check out our website 24/7 at kelownatoyota.com to, once again, go over our inventory, send a message to ask any questions you may have. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful winter season.